everyone, welcome to the last and final episode in this series, because it's the last and final colour that I will be needing. For this one, we have to find Micah's lost things. Now this may be a difficulty, not the finding, the getting the quest part. Oh, just let me talk to her, please. Please, just let me talk to her. Please, I must talk to her. Let me talk to her! Guys, stop jumping! Can people just like... Hey, we got it, guys! So, lost in the clouds. So, she seemed to have lost her 7 items of stuff. Oops, can't leave yet. Okay. Okay. And now I shall show you guys where all the hidden stuff is. So, first up, I think it's over here. I think it's right here. Or it's a different part. Pretty sure it's over here. Nope, it's at a different part. Okay, never mind. Just forget that I did that. And we'll just pretend that that never happened. Okay, so the first one is map, I'm pretty sure. I did this on my other account, so I know where they all are. And it's right here. So you just gotta almost come to the top, then fall over a little bit, and we get her map. I kind of love the cloud place because like you can't actually get full damage. What are you guys doing? Is this where it is? Nope. Okay. Now the second one, you will want to come over past the race and then to the next rainbow. It is the longest rainbow. Oops, she won't jump. The longest rainbow that they actually have here in the Cloud Kingdom. And we're gonna ride over it. I will say yes. Okay. The next one is actually just right up here on this little ledge. So it's her spyglass. Oh man. Not this glitch, please no. The only way to solve this glitch that I know of is to fall off. Now where am I? Oh, okay. The next one is actually right here in this beautiful little lake. It's right over here on this little map. We're gonna take it, and it's some books. Then you can just jump out. I don't know what you want to really do. Depends on what you want to do. The next part is you need to ride up here. Then when you get to the top, you're actually wanting to take a left here, come onto the top of here to get Micah's shovel. Fell down. Doesn't matter. Now you're going to want to do this jump across, because on this island full of the little cupcakes, underneath this rainbow, we have our next item, which is a compass. And then you want to come across this one, and then we're gonna come right here, come up here, where she has her lantern. So I don't know why I'm speaking like this. Okay, and then I'll bring me down there. Let's return to the entrance. I don't know if we've got all the stuff. I just need to figure out what's missing. Are you kidding? Are you kidding me? Why am I all the way over here? I said return to entrance. Sometimes the game's just a little bit silly, I think. how many items do I have? Okay, so now we just find the tripod. I gotta remember which area this is at. The tripod is probably one of the trickiest ones to get because it's on like a little slither off the edge of a place. But we're gonna be able to get it, guys. I know we can. Smash that like button to give me lots of good luck to be able to not fail. Is it around here? Yep. If you guys hit subscribe, that gives me even more luck. Please hit subscribe, please subscribe. It really does make my day. Oh, I think we found it, guys. Yeah, we found it. Here is her tripod. We found the tripod. And now we are going to return the where is. If we can with all those people. Okay. Guys, get out of my car. Okay, we found your equipment. What is it? I need this of blue, which means to have every single color back. And it also means that we finally have that green. Woo! We did it, guys. Thank you so much for coming along in this series with me. I hope you guys, this was helpful for you. But now, she seems to talk with me. Okay. Yes, I know I did it. Of course. Ah, there's so many people. Move. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Yes, of course the color's been restored. I can do it. And so can all you guys. Oh, listen to Micah. Wish me luck. Okay. Check back with her later. And guys, this seems to be the end of our little quest here. And I think we'll get to come to it another day. But for now, as a celebration, we shall buy a little saddlebag. And here we go, guys. Oops, that didn't change the saddlebag. I thought it was going to change the saddlebag. And there we go. We restored the whole Cloud Kingdom. Thank you all so much for watching. And just a quick show of the photo mode. So I can hide myself and I disappear. I can hide my horse. Oopsies. And I disappear as well because I'm on her. If I hide others, everyone disappears. Okay, well, I hope you all enjoyed and I will see you in the next video. Bye! And thanks again, besties, my snowflakes, for joining in and watching the series. Bye!